GBPUSD analysis today. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about pound against dollar. So before we start the video, if you are new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification. Below the video you'll find some links. It says join Telegram channel, so go and join free Telegram if you want some free signals every now and then. Then check out the brokers and the platform right here. So sign up with these brokers if and when you want to trade with my signals in that account, only trade with my signals. Okay, I'll talk about this in Telegram, so make sure you're into Telegram groups. So subscribe, like, do all of that. Coming back to the chart, starting with top and approach with weekly time frame. Weekly, we have broken all the previous highs. 3720, that's the price right now. So we have the strong uptrend, and coming back to Delhi, we have made the new uptrend, new uptrend in Delhi. Now we might take a pullback, but we might carry on going up. Time will tell, but I can tell you we are going to cross 3800. I think so. Okay. So in GBPUSD, I think we are going to easily cross 3880. That's my word on it. Okay. So right now we are at 3720. I think we still have the potential to go further 150 more pips in GBPUSD. So 3720 right now, I'm expecting it to go to 3880. Okay. But what is our entry in 4 hours? So in 4 hour, we have like a hammer, blue hammer. So if you go and watch my Euro USD video, which I just uploaded, before this video, okay. So this looks like a hammer to me as well. So okay, right. This looks like to me it should be an entry, okay, because market is closed now. So when the market opens, either you can wait for next 4 hours, you should wait, okay. So when the market opens, wait for next 4 hours to see what that candle gives us. If that candle goes below and eats this blue candle, then we will not enter long, okay. But if that candle is blue, then you enter long and then just take your profit, or just when you come into profit, then start trailing your stop loss, okay. In GBPUSD, I can tell you something with confidence that we should go above 3850. Right now we are 3720, 3850. It's minimum we will go further, okay. And so this looks like an entry signal to me, but this could be this. Yeah, I think we're in the strong uptrend. So again, wait for 4 hours. Wait for 4 hours on Monday, and if next red candle eats this blue candle, then do nothing. Okay, but if there's a blue candle which closes above this blue candle, then you enter long. Okay, so I can't tell you everything for free right now. So whatever you have, it's more than enough for you to decide. Okay, nobody else is doing this for you for free. Nobody. Okay, so go ahead and subscribe, like, share, join Telegram, do all of that, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care.